Welcome to this demonstration video of Kia's smart cruise control. We'll hop inside the car first of all. I'll explain how you turn the system on and how you use it, and we'll take the car out for a drive so you can see it working firsthand. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, I just wanted to show you quickly the buttons that I'm going to be using while we're driving along so that you know what's going on, because the camera will be focused on the screen. So essentially that button turns cruise control on, or arms it. Once we've turned it on, we can set at the speed we're doing by moving that down. We can move up or down 2 miles an hour at a time. If we brake intentionally, we can reset the speed that we're doing. And this button here is the button that we'll be pushing to alter the distance that the car maintains between us and the vehicle in front. So that'll all become apparent when we're out on a drive. So let's go out now and you'll see that working for yourself. So the first thing we're going to do now that we're in the car and driving is turn the cruise control on. So you'll see that's now come up saying cruise control is turned on. We've not set the speed yet, so that's the next thing we're going to do. And we've set it at 60 miles an hour. Now you can increase that speed or decrease that speed from the controls on the steering wheel. And we've also got the smart control turned on. So I'm just going to reset that speed. There you go, we're at 67 now. And smart cruise is turned on. So those two orange yellowy squares that you see between the image of the two cars is the distance we're asking the car to maintain between us and the car in front. So if the car in front were to slow down, this car will slow down, and if it speeds up, this car will speed up, but only back to a maximum of 67, which is where we set the cruise control up to be. You can change that distance should you wish to, so you can reduce it, as you can see, or you can make it bigger. We're going to keep it at this kind of medium length, and I'm just going to take the speed up to 70, so a proper motorway speed. We've got a couple of cars in front of us, so I fully expect for this car to start to slow down as we approach the back of one of these in a moment. You should see that in action for yourself. So there, if you can see on the speedometer, you'll see that the car is slowing itself down to 65. It will still show that the cruise is set to 70 because that's the speed we've asked the car to maintain. But it's reduced its speed to 60, and that's because we have a car in front of us. If the car speeds up, which it is doing now, you can see that the car is taking its speed back up to as close to 70 as it can. In fact, it is now back up to 70, and it will do that all day long. So if that car in front slows down to 50, this car will also slow down to 50, and it will maintain that gap. So it's slowing down again now in front of us, and you can see it slowing down on the car as well.